Hello students, this is part 2 of lesson number 8, divisibility. In the previous video, we have seen divisibility tests of 2, 5 and 10. And we have done verification by evaluating the division. Now, we will see divisibility test of 3. Statement. If the sum of digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. I repeat, if the sum of digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Children, let us see one example to verify divisibility test of 3. The number given here is 744. As per the statement that we have just seen, I have to take sum of digits of the number. Here the digits of the number are 7, 4 and 4. So I am taking sum of the digits of the number, means simply I have to add all the digits of the given number. The sum is 15. 7 plus 4 plus 4 gives me 15. Now 15 is divisible by 3. Therefore, the given number 744 is completely divisible by 3. As per the divisibility test, I have concluded that the number 744 is divisible by 3. I repeat, the sum of the digits of the number is 7 plus 4 plus 4. The answer of this sum is 15. 15 is divisible by 3. See, 3 into 5 is 15, means 15 is completely divisible by 3. Therefore, as per the divisibility test statement, we can conclude that the number 744 is completely divisible by 3. Let us verify this by evaluating actual division of 744 by 3. Here is division of 744 by 3. You all know how to perform this type of division. Let us start evaluating the division. See, 3 2s are 6, 7 minus 6, 1, and this 4 I am taking down. So here I am getting the number 14. 3 4s are 12. So 14 minus 12, 2, and I am taking the next digit down, which gives me 24, and 3 8s are 24, and 24 minus 24 gives me 0 as the remainder. And when the remainder is 0, we can say that the number is completely divisible by the given digit. Thus, here 744 is completely divisible by 3, and reason for this is the remainder is 0. Thus we have verified the divisibility test of 3 for 744 by evaluating actual division. Let us see one more example of divisibility by 3. Here we have considered a bigger number. The given number is 5814. The digits of the number are 5, 8, 1 and 4. As per the statement, I have to add the digits of the numbers. So, sum of digits is equal to 5 plus 8 plus 1 plus 4, which gives me 5 plus 4 9 and 8 plus 1 9. This 9 and this 9 gives me 18. 18 comes in table of 3. 3 into 6. 3 6 are 18. Thus 18 is divisible by 3, and so I can say that 5814 is completely divisible by 3, as the sum 18 is divisible by 3. The given number (5814) is completely divisible by 3. Means if we actually divide 5814 by 3, we will get remainder as 0. Let us verify this example also by performing actual division. Let us evaluate the division of 5814 by 3 to verify the divisibility test. Here 3 ones are 3, 2 5 minus 3 2, and taking this 8 down, 3 nines are 27, 28 minus 27 is 1. I am taking this 1 down, so it gives me 11. 3 threes are 9, so the 11 minus 9 is 2. I am taking this 4 down. 3 eights are 24, and this gives me remainder 0. As the remainder is 0, the number 5814 is divisible by 3. Thus, when I divide 5814 by 3, I get remainder as 0. So, I repeat, when the remainder is 0, I can conclude that 5814 is divisible by 3. Thank you.